In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy the ZEN, the Horizen Token on Coinbase. So for the first step, we will need to have a Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, sign up through the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. So the next step is to log into your account, and once you are at this page, you will go to the search bar. There we will type in ZEN and there you will find the Horizen Token. We will select it. And as you can see, we have a price chart over here. You can also select the time frames. We have different time frames to select, and using these time frames can give you a view of what this coin has done in the past. So the next step is to read something about this token, like the information, and we also got an option to check the stats. And here you can find the market cap, volume, circulating supply, and of course the all-time high. As you can see, we have a lot of information to see on this page, but now we are going to buy these coins. The next option is to select the buy option, because we want to buy this coin, but you can also sell these coins and convert them to another cryptocurrency. The next option is the order type, and we have a one-time order and a recurring buy order. For now we are using the one-time order, that is a single order for the current market price. And you also have the option for a recurring buy. And that is basically if you are planning to buy these coins on a more often base, then you should select this, because Coinbase starts automatically purchasing these coins on a daily, weekly or monthly time frame. Once you have selected the one-time order, fill in the amount you would like to spend on this order, let's say 1000 euros, and now you can see how much coins you will receive in return. After that, we can select our payment method by clicking on it, and there will be a list opened. If your preferred payment method is not in this list, then add a new payment method by clicking on this button down below. Once you have added it, then click on it and select it, and always check if you have selected the right coin. Of course we have, because we searched for it, and now you can click on review order. Now you are in the order review, and as you can see, we are paying a transaction fee. I will give you guys a very useful tip to save yourself a lot of money while trading on Coinbase. As you can see, we can use the Coinbase One subscription. You can try it out for free for 7 days, and you won't pay any transaction fees on orders on Coinbase. So after those 7 days you will be paying around 25 euros a month. But as you can see on this order already, it is profitable to use it. So definitely check that out. And once you have decided to buy these coins, click on buy now, and these coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Thank you for watching, and I would love to see you in the next tutorial. Cheers guys!